Lahi-lahi na kinabuhi, adunay istorya. Ali, maminota.
Please introduce yourself, your name, your age, single or taken.
Wow! Oh, maybe that's okay. Hi, my name is Julie Moreno. I am 25 years old. Single, but not available yet.
Bakit hindi available?
I'm taking a break.
Taking a break for how long already?
I believe 6 months.
6 months?
Yes. And I'm not yet ready to enter another relationship. That's why I'm taking a break.
Is it okay if I ask you about your previous relationship?
Oh yeah, it's okay.
How long were you together?
Almost 4 years.
4 years. So that's a
That
long
would
time, no?
be 3 years and 10 months,
Mhm.
if I'm not mistaken.
So the guy is in another relationship already?
Maybe I'm not updated anymore about his life.
So to sum it up, parang whose fault was it na and your or kanaan or both?
I think
Give us an
it's
idea. Why?
Because we both have mistakes in the relationship. O aron sa kapuwangan ko, aron kapuwangan na ay. So, as for the benefit of the both of us, we decided to end it. I think not
Peacefully?
in such a really good terms, but at least where I
Regrets?
Yes, where I regrets, and at the same time, where I isang laong kalagot sa una-una ang kasing-kasing.
Is that your longest relationship?
Yes, so far, yeah.
Your most serious?
Yes, of course.
How many relationships na?
3.
3.
Yeah, and he's the last.
He's the last.
For
Hopefully
now.
not the last forever.
Yes, of course. But yeah, just like what I've said, I'm not yet ready to enter another relationship.
So,
As of now.
okay. So for all those single women out there, can you give them like points as to how to handle breakups?
Well, for me, based on my experience, ang pinakalisod when handling breakups is the first stage which is acceptance.
Uh-huh.
So you will be full of doubts, questions, what ifs in life. But I believe that as the saying goes, time heals. So you just need to have or to give yourself enough time to accept what happened and to accept that some things don't go the way they want them to be. And that everything happens for a reason. And it happens because there is a lesson behind everything that will happen in your life.
So what can you say is your biggest takeaway or lesson sa previous relationship? No?
Para kanak, ang pag-love is really a choice because loving someone is also a responsibility. Okay, you're not just going to kibali, dili lang kaugalingan mo na feelings ang need mo i-consider. You have to be considerate sa feelings sa ng partner mo. And sa plans plans mo na mag-coincide. So, it's really a choice kay relationship is full of ups and downs. So, wako katigam kung sino itong magpili kan mo sa kalisod o kalipay. So, it is really a choice whether you stay through the good and bad or you will leave when it's already hard.
So we can say really na ang heartbreak mo help you become a better
Yes.
woman, no?
Yes, I can say so. Sa breakup na ito, mas learn ko how to love myself more, how to give more time to make myself the best version of me. Like that.
Now, this is really the main question. No?
Okay. ikaw mo ginagawa.
What is-
Okay, it's okay.
what is the essence of being a woman?
As someone working in the public service right now, for me, the essence of being a woman is the ability to empower others while also striving to become better version of ourselves. Because we women, we carry a unique strength in leading and nurturing, not just within our families, but also in our communities and workplaces. Through someone's or a woman's compassion and dedication, we help create opportunities. We help promote equality and also we help build a safer environment for us women. And I believe that when we women are empowered, communities become stronger and more inclusive and more progressive. So this month for the National Women's Month celebration, I would like to encourage us women to lead like babaylans.
Thank you so much.
Yes!